Jimmy, ni edishi ya Ghana. Obia wouldn't about to baby a horde. Kurono ne bani tirimu first.
See, me Kenya me adwene de atro. Abusia. Obekaya ever since a dollar mine eba news no na Sammy Gyamfi eba news no atro ne pay yi. Ndu ba kwana Ghana fo nyina ayedi etwen no. Eye prophet Kofi Oduro. Ese obepa beka dey. We were do say NPP ni hu ade ban kenim how a Kofi Oduro besi aba bekasa. Enkenim obejana so de ban kenim how obesi aka no. Is that gonna for twen say Kofi Oduro bra bekasa. Finally Kofi Oduro abekasa. Na oba ye no obe fire Sam George. Mr. Fireman, we be fire Sam George. Fire here. How you Penyah block media? Best one say the day. Oba that keep video no that room. Or subscribe button. Subscribe click benefit na conflict. Now better wa join their mama e wo comment. Especially oba so. Na she remove for school enya bi ahwe. Ejimi da me Sammy Gyamfi say he was groomed to be a blatant liar. Enipa o twatra o mo nani. Sammy Gyamfi twatra nani e mo play. Ebi ni Hotel Ghana. Obegu bo me no say Hotel Ghana ba o me adia.
Chronometer. Ora ba o me na de ko ECG through PDS. Opa wa wo hwe me bia wo sa meter ni bi no. Yanto nchia wo hwe United Showbiz wia. O de enye ni sese wo hwe wia. Dundum nyame yusu kani anyina wo fie TV, fridge dundum bia. Makohwe meter no ba wo me meter no. E ready. Chronongwa.
Intebomo de ani
Oh no, I'm trying to tell na say yawo abemuda.
Yeah,
the situation in terms of light bill was not like this. He said, yeah, time crowd, and this app will be no Makofaba.
Who used to be?
Me. Once you are using the app, you are financing by Women's campaign. Because that app.
Who used to old meter?
Me, I don't use the app to buy power.
And to call
yes, because ECG Jumaye for IT for Ankasa creative app. You bet me use app no, on our phones. In our palms, they are talking Kenya. But when we buy also on Penyah, Ghana for my phone, I on one for the company by a friend Hotel or more form of app. As I make it A plus no one said. Or Marco Fra or more app aba. Yet 147 million cities. Titisicano 1 point. Yes. 1.4 trillion. Yes. 147 million. I can show you the reports. I can pull them out for you. ASAP has even issued a statement on it.
Okay.
PULC has it. 147 million cities for an app. Now, Uto Kenya biya almost 1% near it. Now, of course, our company no. Uto Kenya biya app ibai it was supposed to improve revenue collections. I feel na ECG for Boka. Today, their technical and commercial losses do 32%. In the app, that's what they say. And auto lighter, utia light bill, no, but we na utia sikana because the 1% goes there. So I'm telling you, you do your checks. Ask which office in government introduced Haptel to ECG and supervise that deal. You check. Maybe at the bottom line, you know, say. Yeah, but access in so. Yeah, but say in Kenya.
As me go video to say help Ghana. Attorney General Abes police enya ba omi ade. O twatra o monani. E ma beka no ntro ye o twatra kwa goto. Come se fakai of Peace FM. O ma come se fakai ka se tire ne se Sammy Gyamfi o ya politician. So bi kwa kan se ma enim e de be say wudin a eduru ha obeti ase.
Nyai keke. Obi say wudin da ho. Ana obi kan se mi tia o da nye no kre. You're growing in politics, in public life. One day, when really all you have left is your name, your reputation. Today it may seem very trivial to you. I may say it's trivial at the end of me, but one fine day you will understand. Especially when your children are growing up, you're married, or lawyer konenim, and I believe I know you're a smart guy. Or lawyer juma konenim, politics konenim. Now because some found no credit. You will understand why I'm doing what I'm doing today. And you know the saying that social media doesn't forget.
No.
One day somebody will Google my name and that story will appear.
Yeah.
So it is not trivial. And yes, I'm a trim na me trim. I am ya. So yes, sir.
Shaman.
And they say, you know, Friday no. You when you break what true. You know, as a reality and I exposing the camera and I exposing a politician or take Ghana. Ins also best spend cedis no or spend dollars or check dollars.
Honorable, I salute.
When I bought in my mammy and I, family, mamma, in our mammy, honorable. $2. That was Sammy Gyamfi. Who say woman?
Monday. Mommy, our
Oh my God, that dollars. No crown on the car crowd with them as some home. Or the Rolls Royce 2025 model, Rolls Royce 2025 model, but Obian can was it. The car where people in a talk car in just 4 months in office and how how waves in the year, how the narrative will be. And they will talk as if say MPP appointees, they are just jobless, omuti fiekwa, and they are appointing about memo. But this is Jamaica's owner, Sammy Gyamfi. But even as back at 2008, na Adwasafo ewo cars enya car na owo cars but still yes we are for we are mine sika Sammy Gyamfi by this I want for be and I share opinion on that even end this for no crown able efu what I say.
I am very upset this afternoon. I am so angry. Oh, big man, look at us. Oh, we the food soldiers. We were those making names on social media, fighting, dancing, campaigning. I was at Legon up to 3 o'clock a.m. fighting for JM and John Dumelu. I went up to Zabsgu fighting for NDC. You came in power just 4 months. You are not thinking about your food soldiers, how to get us work. And you are going around with V8s and dollars full of the car, sharing it to someone who was against your campaign, who was insulting our president. Now you know how to give this woman $10,000, coming out to tell us that you are sorry. So are you taking the $10,000 back and share it or use it for the youth? Or what are you telling us? So if we accept the apology, does it mean that you are taking back the $10,000? $10,000 is not a small money. It's not a joke money, bro. As I am here, if I get even $1,000, do you know what I can do with $1,000? Bro, you are saying that you should engage in agriculture. Look at me. If you give me $1,000, I know what to go and do in agriculture. I know what to farm. Don't you think I can use $1,000 to start my agri business? Abo. You can't apologize. So what should we do now? Charlie, if this thing are going to continue like this for 1 year, I swear, I never go vote give NDC again. We there here. It's the earlier the better. We should better change it right now. Other than that, it's not going to.
Ebusia asemaba aden Sammy Gyamfi no agrada hu bibi gu nani so anase den because me dwi want mentiase o the way Sammy Gyamfi wonim say enkrofo asset trap enkrofo asset cameras ne satellite e dia to so no wankasa e na wode wo hu sei ade akwakoma ene ye tuom je the way e be no this week no the way amafo de be ma left and right no me no expect say NDC mpanifo no e be babonten ababe condemn dia Sammy Gyamfi here no because enye fine wonim say wo pie ko abonten na se bia wo ko yie wo ko wedding ni Samuel manema na as a public figure and as a politician no obi obehu bia no obe try say ye be bi se osika and as be bi se obibi what are you supposed to do as say won say sika edi she obotom 10 cedis 20 cedis 100 cedis 200 cedis edi she fa na say obotom ba bia se de bia obi bisa wa ade se wo ye na say wo yudi won sa shemu a na wa yisika no edi amanipa no wo Sammy Gyamfi wa anya ne saa wetumi anya kokuduro ama agrada ebise wo sika wonya kokuduro kwakọ bi oka eyi sika esan so flip sika no na edi ekura na kan se wo de kan sika no nga wo de wo yi sika no yi sika no mu kakra fa ma no wetumi anya kokuduro kan sika no one by one ma mama se wo fa sika no nyina mama at the end of it na mama na hwim sika no bundle of dollars e de fi wunsem e de ko no Sammy Gyamfi me say good word now wo so no ho eyenkrofo bi atwa nkrofo bi nso no
enti e kwan bi ankrofo no be fa so a ombenya no ono na mo fa so enti dia wo ye no e totally no good SSS adi way SSS yes so because the Sammy Gyamfi here no enya de beboa any simply from pia bonten no make sentia adi way because e ade amasa enya de beboa the expect say asiedu nketia any e friend say the President John Dramani Mahama will launch the code of conduct even after code of conduct in Amotmenya Kudro akwa yes adi access Sammy Gyamfi wakwanya Kudro nya sadi way Sammy Gyamfi we amafo be no dread omo no so a masa members end this in penifone be beba bonten ababe de ababe defend sadi way ye defend ye because obia ehu yehu de ekoso no enye esan grassroots no kura ebre wotumi isika say e de ama obi say grassroots bi e bisa wa e de ona so man 10 cedi woman 20 cedi sa e de na obeye mama part e de na like ode bo amo de ba power even mama part we na ba bonte be ka say Mahama no Yakopon ayi kirine afiri so enya de obetumi ababe ye president Ghana ha bio na Sammy Gyamfi wakoko yes ade we yen ka se manche obi sika be kwan of us wo che nipa ni sika no enya de fa kwan pa so nti ali sim penifo no mra bonten na on be kasa because ade we omo ye de enya fine enya fine kra a some dread
sisia na me hu video no Sammy Gyamfi ye da wase wate ye da wase bebe ye ni hia ye ka kire ye da ase sika bebrebe me say na no me oho no obi ba me die mu some guy be so a nurse me o se kolebu se hen me na guy no so ye campaign minim say guy this guy was doing campaign back to back o say nanado pen so ye contract say omo contract wu ono so ye ndis ne ono so ye ba be yi na this guy is crying onima dwuma o ba be ye ye mu po na say sika na wo kan dollars a wo de man obetima ma ye me sapa me dia kan ye business ho ye business ama ye business tumpon what say sika bebrebe asa dia ma sika ni bio Sammy Gyamfi and this for you tie buafu akasa afa na mate me ntia obia buafu afa na mate ase ye now ahemache anajo ne e so life ye nya jimi for ye use ye nya kasa ye airtime ye campaign ye manko for sika so munko vote adai.
I've seen so many comments about people blasting Sammy Gyamfi for gifting Agrada money, blah blah blah. And for once, I agree with those blasting him, honestly, because John Kofi Oduro during campaign period, like women, and they are still struggling. I'm not saying say NDC about power and NDC ni but there are some people. There is this one girl. Campaign period, me witness it pass a girl or ye campaign up and down Koba. And from the girl, ne mame, as we NDC me no so ye campaigns. Otimi texting me, sister, my school fees cramming me. All these people are there during campaign period. And some full ben I grad amet na hanka. And some ben I grad amet na hanka. And we are giving her money. For what exactly? Let's put campaign and 1 year so when is and all of that. This woman is very comfortable, and we are still giving. There are some things that once you decide to talk about them, you become disrespectful. But let's look on the other side. There are so many people who need help. Young Kofi Oduro here more assistance now, and those people are not like you show more crowd, those you few or more. Or more in here, any day, like do it.
Hey, Mahama, resign the boy. Sammy Gyamfi boy resign. Let alone the politician that work dollar work totally minus so negative as a politician. A what dollar work made I give to Shadow Joe. Needy. Nagado, you need Wagana. Or you need the day as nature no one shot or $1 in Bia Ghana. One more be 1 million so lie. Will be on corner region office on $1 in man. Send me in there. $1 Kalim or Ghana as a medium fee. Sammy Gyamfi could create $100 that my God don't go to fuel. Them no like on $800 don't go to fuel as a politician. What the miss K. Kalim on a 1.10 minus Nagani get $1. It's $1 no then will carry. Hey, when I get fun with a fan, you go the ED. What the was sponsor I grad that man means that my local can December where you want campaign. I come on $1. One chemo be aligned and made a demonstration.
Edo bi atwa asɛm a Kofi Oduro eba bɛka. E wo sɛ no ra Kofi Oduro be gyina so no be ya so no ɔbɛyɛ no. Ɛne ne ɔbɛkyerɛ na adwene. E wo Sammy Gyamfi ade a wayɛ no. No nso ɔbɛkeka bi pa de kyerɛ Sammy Gyamfi.
Jimmy ni edishi Ghana. Obia wouldn't about to be a horde. Kurono neba ni tirimu first. You can even notice that we call Ghana as a mother. Mother Ghana. Ekuya Ghana. Ajua Ghana. Ama Ghana. Why don't we say Kofi Ghana? Emfa. Entimenfa. Yeah, pebebia. We get that protection and solitude, that covering. It comes from a mother. A mother's protection will go to the point of serving you the food. You know, most of our mothers will cook in big saucepans, and sometimes when you ask them, who are the people going to eat this, they will say, shut up. Somebody is going, you know, somewhere, your mother will call them and say, hey! Is that fair? So if Ghana is a mother, then let's talk about how we have dishonored Ghana as our mother. If Ghana is a mother, I'm a Ghana, we are Ghana, Akosia Ghana, Ajua Ghana. We even call Africa a mother. And then South America, Asia, the Omon continent, and a mother. Yeah, you see a continent, a mother. You see African continent looks like the shape of a woman who is in a scarf. If Ghana is a mother, why have we discredited Ghana so much? And then you put Ghana in the Ghana yena. It be bua bola no ni akotu agususu. Ghana yena o. Ghana yena. It will be called two a remember but no be a lot of people no work. Ghana no no. Single 532. Ghana yena. Obia wouldn't about to be a horde. Kurono neba ni tirimu first. The Ghana is a mother. I'm asking why Ghana has been so discredited. For 32 years, this year 33 years, the MPP, NDC for 33 years. Look at the way we have degraded. Bring me Galamsey pictures. Look at the way we have degraded Ghana. Greed of our politicians. Yeah. Why? If Ghana is a mother, this is Ghana's reward. No, I want to know. I've seen government publish a report and see that from January till now, gold exports have gone up very high. Good news. Question: where is the gold coming from? Where is the gold? Gold in a free answer. Ya toama bayanza baya exporter. We want to know the source. Tinklofugu really muna ready. I said Ghana pa wouldn't say Kofi Oduro mena mate Galamsey company. Namdimu na kugu really musamonko yesa adiwe. It took out when it's a buying better now. The reason why this is still happening is because the people we should be so protecting and defending us are part of this. And God will judge everybody. Me makajo obi ohegalam say God will kill you. I won't change it. Today is what the people do. In the place of technology, we cannot even use drones for surveillance. We want to send soldiers to bush. No. We use technology. We sit down. We send drones for surveillance. Drones has the ability to shoot and kill. And you could feel they say, a patch of Galam saying they are shooting Kunya, but you couldn't pay me and Sakubi and Kofi. A who for Ghana you Srumuja and go be a Johnny Kofi. When we go be a free woman, go drawn a boat Trimutu, the Babano Johnny with Trimu corner now. Yatam Rakwabusia, Miss Obians you. Go to places like China, the Mokrono. Asia for ya babe go with them ha. Wama be kan yan crop for one woman this edwuma way. They dare not do it in their country. You will be killed straight without a trial. You be pulled to a straight. Obi any wasam. It is D and amoye way. Kidney failures, liver failure. Usi Ghana ye na mi bisa wo de enti amoye way. Mi yewe to a beauty comport akwa show enkos comport go to from airport to borders elubo aflao go to places takrate kwa chike say Ghana ye na. I want to know, why are you degrading Ghana so much?
Chira waje mame e wo comment section ha Penyah Block Media aka